Wanting to bake your cupcakes in advance? Freezing cupcakes with liners are an easy and effective way to plan ahead. What you will need to follow this tutorial. To freeze cupcakes. Freshly baked cupcakes, baked in liners. Plastic wrap. Ziploc bag or airtight container. To freeze frosted cupcakes with liners. Freshly baked frosted cupcakes, in liners. Large plate or tray. Plastic wrap. Airtight container. Step-by-step instructions, unfrosted cupcakes. Step 1. Bake your favorite cupcake recipe. Allow the cupcakes to fully cool on a wire rack after baking. Step 2. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, leaving the liners on, carefully wrap each individual cupcake in plastic wrap. Step 3. Place cupcakes in Ziploc bag or airtight container. Make sure to give the cupcakes enough room so they do not get squished. Step 4. Freeze the cupcakes. They can be kept in the freezer for 3 to 6 months. Once thawed, eat the cupcakes within 2 days. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge in the meantime. Step-by-step instructions. Frosted cupcakes. Step 1. Bake and once fully cool, decorate the cupcakes with your choice of frosting. Step 2. Place frosted cupcakes with the liners still on a large tray or plate. Next, place them in the freezer, uncovered for 1 to 2 hours. This will allow the frosting to freeze, so you won't smudge the frosting while wrapping them in plastic wrap. Step 3. Once the frosting has been frozen on the cupcakes, carefully wrap each individual cupcake in plastic wrap. Step 4. Carefully place each cupcake in an airtight container. Step 5. Freeze the cupcakes. They can be frozen for 3 to 6 months. Once thawed, eat the cupcakes within 2 days. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge in the meantime. Tips and tricks. Freezing cupcakes with liners. Your cupcakes should cool for at least 1 hour at room temperature. They should be cool to the touch before you wrap them up. Placing warm cupcakes in an airtight container can lead to steam forming. In return, this can cause the top of the cupcakes to become sticky, which will make the liners hard to get off. To thaw the cupcakes, you can also let them thaw unwrapped at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.